Here we have a Tahitian air potato. There's another one. There's one right there. A baby one. Show you the leaf. This is what the leaf of the air potato looks like right here. Usually you let them drop to the ground, but I'm gonna pick one from the vine because I think it's ripe enough. This one right here. That one is ripe enough to be cooked. It's big enough. I just picked this air potato. I know a lot of you say, whoa, you can't eat an air potato. Well, if they look like this, you can eat them. And if they are the gray, small, round type of air potato, those are toxic. Now, I'm not a professional, but I've heard that if you boil those type of air potatoes in multiple batches of water, so you keep on putting in fresh water after you boil the potato, you can draw out the toxins. But this potato, this particular air potato, is sold in the store around my house. So I know it is edible. I've eaten it before. It's just a little interesting and doesn't quite look like a potato, right? I mean, does that look like a potato? Doesn't really look like a potato to me. But it tastes like a potato. It tastes better than potato. Okay, let's cut these potatoes up. I'm probably not going to eat this one. I'll probably just eat this one. And let's cut them up. That's what they look like inside. They're really slimy and slippery. But they're kind of interesting, huh? Now I'm going to peel them because the skin is kind of bitter. So the easiest way to peel them is to, they're really slimy, really slimy. Easiest way to peel them is just to cut them like that. Just go like that. Get the peel off. It's kind of square. It's not rounded, so you can see that I can just go like that and just cut it off. Okay, let's check if these are done. Yeah, looks like they're pretty close. I'd say they're done. Okay, these air potatoes are done. Let's see how good they are. I'm just going to drain the water very carefully. And there we go. Some air potatoes. Let's put some salt on them and taste them. Here we go, some air potatoes. I'm gonna put some tutus spice on it. This is kind of like spike, very similar. You know, got some salt and all sorts of good stuff in there. Let's put a little bit on there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. Let's see how this is. Tastes like a potato. It's good. Oh yeah, this tastes pretty much just like a potato. It's not as like earthy, right? Because it grows in the air. It has more of an air potato flavor. I don't know. That's kind of how I see it. It's not quite that dirt potato flavor. You know how potatoes have that dirt kind of flavor? This has more of a light potato flavor, like it was grown in the air. There we go. Air potato. Air potatoes, yes. So again, I'm not an expert. Check the area that you live in. The area that I live in, Hawaii, we can buy these at the grocery store. They just they sell them in the grocery store, and they're not toxic like the ones on the mainland. I just want to stress that. And the ones on the mainland, you'll have to boil them and change the water frequently to draw out the toxins to make them edible. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the subscription. I got some awesome videos coming up in the future. Make sure you share this video and make sure you hit the bell symbol to get notifications for when I upload a video. You can watch it and tell me what you think. And until next time, aloha!